Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that how you can and why you should let things go. So let's get into the video. Firstly, if something bad happened to you, it didn't happen to you because you deserve that. It happened to you because you needed to learn that lesson. And if you are able to learn that lesson, you like never hold grudges, like never think never hold things. If you always hold bad things that happen in your past, if you don't let them go, you will never be able to think what is good for you. Your mind will not work in that way because you are still holding the bad things that happen to you, so you won't be able to think what is good for you and what you should do. See, I know things can get hurt very deeply, very badly, but if you start to acknowledge what happened to you and take it as a lesson and learn something from it, you would never hold that grudge in a bad way. Ask yourself, what did you learn from it? What was that situation trying to teach you? And when something like that appears in the future, how you will handle that? Take it as a lesson, not play like a victim. Oh, this happened to me, and you are holding it from like your entire life. And always try to accept like what happened. You should have the guts of acceptance, like whatever happened, yes, this was my past, this was me in the past, and that happened to me, and you can't go in the past and change that thing. The truth will always be, it is as it is, so you can't change that. But you should have the guts, like, yes, this was who I was, and this happened to me. Like, nothing can change now. I have accepted it and I move on. Don't try to run away from these things. Don't try to, ignore. You can't change the truth. It is what it is, and accept it as it is. And you should wisely choose where you should put your energy, because it is very important. If you are putting your energy in the same thing that happened to you in the past, just to gain some attention, you won't be able to do anything in your life, any productive, and nothing you can do. You should be, things happen to everyone in a very worse way, but if you hold that, you're not gonna do anything. Things doesn't work like that. You have to let it go and move on. Why you should let these bad things go? For your mental peace. Like, if you are holding a bad thing that happened to you, and you are only thinking about that and telling the other people's, in your mind, you're living that moment again and again and again and again and again, and you are just destroying your mental peace, your inner peace. You're doing nothing. You're just disturbing yourself by thinking about that same bad thing that happened to you. It won't help you at all. You need to let that thing go. Yeah, and think about something good. Think about something, what you want to do, rather than the thing that happened to you already happened to you, and you can't even go and change that. And secondly, I think you should focus on yourself. See, if you are a goal oriented person and you have some really serious goals to achieve in your life, okay, normal goals you want to achieve in your lives, you should think about those goals. If you keep thinking about the bad thing that happened to you, how you think you would be able to focus on your goals? You won't be able to focus on your goals. And when you start thinking about what you want to do, how can you make yourself better, how you can do things that makes you happy, your mind will automatically forgetting those bad things. Always try to do what is good for you. Always think good, rather than the bad things. This is how your brain should be work. You should always go for the positivity rather than the negativity. This is how you will feel good. See, something bad happened to me today, and that really hurt me, that really hurt me. But still I choose to stand up front of the camera and make a video. Why? Because I am not letting that negativity affect me at all. I am doing what I want to do. I am doing what is good for me. And like, and not just, try to distract myself, but like trying to let that go and focus on what I really want to do. And that's a real example. What I'm telling is very truth. You should, never hold feelings. Like, if something bad happened to you, you are very angry and emotionally very, you suppress your anger about that thing that happened to you. That anger can be, released at any way. So you should really, free yourself to express your that emotion. If you are feeling angry, express it. If you are feeling like you want to cry, cry. No, don't suppress your emotion, because that can really damage you so much in so various ways. So you really need to express yourself. This is the very, this is like, this is, I feel that this is the only way that you can let things go. Make yourself free. Why you are putting yourself in a jail by holding some bad things that happened to you in the past? It was a past. Bad things happen to everyone, but that doesn't mean the life stop, right? You have a better future. You can make yourself so much greater than you were in the past. You can do so much better things. Your life is ahead you, not behind you, right? And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.